Welcome on board. Welcome. Hello, welcome. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Nwokorobịa na-amaghị Jizọs kọrọ gị Oh, Chidimma, Chidimma, ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye Igbo, ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo ọ dịghị ewute gị n'obi o, ikpe mara gị nwanne m. Ala Igbo na-ebe akwa, brother m. Ala Igbo na-eti mkpu, enyi m. Ala Igbo na-ebe akwa, sister m. Ala Igbo, Ala Igbo, Ala Igbo, Ala Igbo, If you are watching online, begin to join the studio. If you want to join, if you want to call, we are going to discuss today. Today is my pre-birthday broadcast. Pre-birthday broadcast. So if you want to, let's discuss how can we develop Ala Igbo in this our own time. How can we develop Ala Igbo in this our own time? Mana ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye Igbo, ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo ọ dịghị ewute gị n'obi. Ala Igbo na-ebe akwa, enyi m. Nwokorobịa na-amaghị Jizọs ma Ala Igbo na-eti mkpu, enyi m. Ala Igbo na-ebe akwa, sister Merebo. I want to share the video. People should join me. We are discussing how can we develop Ala Igbo in our own time. Thank you, Darlington. Thank you for joining. You're watching from Owerri. That music will keep playing at the background. Elvis, he came and watched you. Elvis, thank you. God bless you, Darlington. God bless you. I'm gonna be dropping the link on the comment section. If you want to join, it's free. It's free. My guest today is every Igbo man who is concerned that Ala Igbo Adegema. Join us live. Let's discuss in detail. Nwokorobịa na-amaghị Jizọs ma lee. Welcome on board, everybody. Alibo n'ebe akwa enyi mo. Aye. Alibo na sozo yi brother me. Onye lara ụlọ na-atụzụ ụjọ nwanne m. Imagine Jesus, ihe kọrọ gị nwanne m Yes. The link to join the studio is on the comment section. It's for everybody. You have a contribution. You have something to tell the world about us. The link is there. I'll also send the link in our WhatsApp group. Please feel free to join. Let's discuss. Tell us, how can we develop our Igbo in our own time? Not telling us for tomorrow. How can we do it so that our tomorrow brothers and sisters will not suffer what we went through? Join me live on the studio now. It's going to be 1 hour, 30 minutes program. Join me live. People are waiting to join. So if you cannot join, then you can call this number. We are discussing. You can call this number. Yes. Ibukwa onye Igbo, ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo, ọ naghị ewute gị n'obi o. Isi bụ onye Igbo, ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo, ọ naghị ewute gị n'obi o, enyi m. Ala Igbo na-ewezi iwe, sista m ewo. Ala Igbo na-ebezi akwa, enyi m o. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye Igbo, ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo, ọ naghị ewute gị n'obi nwanne m. Ị ma na ala Igbo na-ebe akwa, enyi m o. Ị ma na ala Igbo na-ebezi mkpu, sista m owo. Asị m ala Igbo ya na-ebezi akwa nna m ama m. Hello. I'm live on the studio. I'm live right now. People are watching me and you are interrupting my flow. Can I call you back later, please? Any problem? Sorry, any problem? Okay, I'll call you back right back. Sorry, maybe after 1 hour. Is that okay? Ịna-asụ Igbo, nwanne m. Okay. Welcome on board, everybody. Welcome on board. Ịna-asụ Igbo, Igbo. Okay. Hey. Igbo ọrụ m onye Igbo, ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo, ọ naghị ewute gị n'obi o, enyi m o. Ala Igbo na-ebe akwa, sista m. Ala Igbo na-eti mkpu, enyi m o. Okay, today we are having a very special program. With this program is going to be anybody can be the guest. We are discussing how can we better the land of Igbo. How can we make Ali Igbo better? How? How can we make Ali Igbo better? Okay, as I'm waiting for my guests to join, all the guests, anybody, the link to join the studio is on the comment section. You can want to call, you indicate, you call. How can we get Ali better? But before then, I want to make this few announcement. Before then, let me permit me to make this few announcement because it's good to set this record straight. It's good to set the record straight. It's good to set the record straight. Let me set this record straight. My wonderful people, my name is Joe Vika, and I am broadcasting from Joe Vika TV. I'm the founder and chairman and the president of Igbo Ruler, the CEO of Joe Vika TV platform based in the United States of America. Why I'm making all this particular profiling myself in this form is something is ongoing against this organization. If you're listening to me, please help me share this video. I want to show you something on the screen now. I'm not live on TikTok because I want to use my phone to communicate to other people. I decided to be on TikTok. Please, if you're watching me, look at this thing on my screen. Can you see it? Which one is original Igbo Ruler? We have different logo for the same name. Which one is original Igbo Ruler? So I want to make this thing clear to people to understand. Scammers are on the way. You know, our Igbo people, they don't like some Igbo people, I will say our people, some Igbo people don't like good things. Whenever there's any good thing coming, you see people that will come to scam it, that will come to destroy it. Some people don't like good things. The names of Igbo. Among the Igbos, our enemies are the members of our own people, those who speak the same language with us, those who know how we roll. They are the same people that will come to destroy any good thing coming to Ali Igbo. So I want to give you a brief background as we wait for people to join me in this live. In this live, for us to discuss how can we make Ali Igbo better. I want to categorically state that I have always been the vanguard that we should make Ali Igbo better, no matter whatever it will cost us. But unfortunately, some people are working against our vision. Some people are seriously working against our vision. But should that make us to relent? The answer is no. So listen to me carefully. This is very important. Once again, you can see two logos. The one with yellow, the one that has our Argo, is it Argo stripe cap? Nke nwere ka nwere Igbo na Chineke me ka nwere Igbo sọrọ ndị Igbo okwu. Ụmụ Igbo gee ntị. Unu hụrụ logo a nọ n'ihu ụmụ ugbu a. Ọ dị logo abụọ, nke kpo okpu mmemme na nke kpo okpu ji okpu ndị Igbo. Nke nwere yellow, nwere ugbele ọkụkọ ma ugbele ugo, nwekwe bicycle. Ọ nke ahụ original Igbo Ruler. Mana nke a nke dere idu W otu ikpu mmemme, ọ nke ahụ bụ fake Igbo Ruler. Enwere onye na-ezuru our intellectual property may establish Igbo Ruler. Onye a bụ onye anyị nabatara Osiabia, now one of us. We welcomed him. I don't want to play his video because I don't want to make him go viral, but I just want to bring to your notice. Now, we are talking about registration. He's also talking about registration or whatever belonging. He look at the account he floated and registered in Igbo Ruler name. Igbo Ruler Development Property and Estate Limited Fidelity Bank account. Look at him. He now said names of those who have registered with payment of 5,000 naira or more. The first 200 members, we have the opportunity for installment payment of any of our second land. Example, Free Trade Zone Enugu, Free Trade Zone Abia State, etc. So now this guy is going about, because in our meeting we discussed that we are going to have an account with Fidelity Bank and it is ongoing. Unomara inyo ohanwe anaha easy. Ya Russia immediately obatara Igbo Ruler. Obatara after 1 month, I'm a little Igbo Ruler. He came in. Immediately obatara David the wera go for registration. Oga roll that when I'm in a meeting, I get Fidelity Bank. Ya Russia to Fidelity Bank. Omepego Fidelity Bank account. Man again until I had the organization Igbo Ruler Development Property and Estate Limited. And here I'm negotiable here I'm negotiable his registration. I think let me upload his certificate of now CAC. Let me upload the other but I'm gonna upload. So yeah, register. Thank you. I have it here. Yeah, register. Yeah. This is okay. Okay, this is complaining. Let me delete some video. Let me delete some video so that I can upload it. So we got register. I can know how you register now that particular yeah. Just look at the name. You have to be very careful for yourself. So because of Iho Merina, we the original Igbo ruler, I have stop go anything registration. Ngwale the certificate or you register. Uno horia Igbo Ruler Development Estate and Property Limited. And no highlight no company. It's a business company. So I want to ask Morgi because of Igbo ruler. When you see that only register here in the name of company, please don't blame Igbo ruler. I repeat, only a corporate affairs registration here or register go in the name of Igbo Ruler Development Estate and Property Limited. It's a limited and public liability company, but our own is an organization. We have aims and objectives. What is the aim and objectives of Igbo Ruler? Look at the objectives now. Our objective is to attract both local and international develop Ali Igbo, to advance technology in Central Africa, to build and attract football academy in a bid to market talent Igbo to the world, build and attract international standard medical facility and personnel to Ali Igbo, to introduce an insurance system scheme to cover medical payment of our Igbo. So that I want to talk about here about medical payment down. Ọtụtụ ọnwa anyị na-enwe n'ala Igbo bụ maka na ndị mmadụ enwechaghị ego. Ụfọdụ aga ụlọ ọgwụ agwa gị na ha ga-akwụgodo ụgwọ before etreat ha. Naanị surgery a ga-eme ordinary surgery a ga-eme ụmụ Igbo na-agazi dute enweghị ego. Ụfọdụ agawa n'ụlọ ekpere na-akpọ pastor kpewe ekpere. Most of these pastors enweghị gift of ikpere mmadụ ekpere ka ha nwee healing. Or everybody with that calling. Let me tell you, that's something that should be common to every pastor. It don't say you don't have it. Get here the word of God, word of salvation. Other miracle is Jara. Every pastor must be praying for miracle. But every pastor must be preaching the word of salvation. So if you are not a preacher of word of salvation, go and check yourself. And when a pastor says that he is called to raise money, well, that's his own calling. But I doubt who called him. Any calling that does not get you into raising Jesus Christ as the Lord of the people, you should be watched. Now, so so many people now are getting to pastors because they go to take care of themselves. I see first how are you? When I say how they go, we want to stop this thing. They can take Igbo ruler. How are we going to stop it? I got liars with some the from hospital. I work all with them. Only member of Igbo ruler, with the ID card again. Any hospital or with they must attend to you. And due to your insurance scheme, you can subscribe to with a member, we will take care of that bill. You will then the little one Igbo ruler will pay the rest. Mahaye bill to go up and an investment platform to help you. So before we get to that, that is why I may establish investment. This, so I've told you that our aim and objective. Now look at this one. Sorry. What is our mission? To develop Ali Igbo into becoming the economic powerhouse of Nigeria, just to like Catalonia or in Spain and California in USA. To achieve this goal, to launch an aggressive industrialization of Ali Igbo with a bid to creating jobs and reducing unemployment. Here are our objective in Igbo ruler. So ana m achọ m agụpụtara unu ihe ndị a bụ ndị nwere this objective. Are they business liability company? Then, yes, Igbo Rule of Development Union. So, uniting the Igbos. What is our motto? Uniting the Igbos and developing Igbo. I say Igbo Ruler is non-profit organization, a pressure group to sensitize Igbo to remember their homeland. We are not agitating political or religious group. Who are we? Who are Igbo Ruler? Igbo Ruler in Ihunanya Development Unions. Our motto is uniting the Igbos, developing Igbo. It is a non-profit organization, a pressure group to sensitize Igbo to remember their homeland. We are not an agitating political or religious group. That is why in our post, we don't welcome anything that has to do with religion. Whether more Christianity, we don't welcome it. We don't welcome political post. Whether you PDP, APGA, or whatever. No, we don't welcome it. So, but this guy now, who has this particular logo, Agalame pay his organization, and his organization says no Nigeria Limited, Igbo Rural Development Estate and Property Limited. So honor into estate, honor into organization. But people have been deceived. Here present had this account number where they are paying money. If you paid any 5,000 there to this one, you are on your own. Before you do anything, ask question. Recently, I went a video minute. Basarebe revealed him gang up against Governor Oti. People are saying the bloggers put that video all got viral. People not because of how people now say the president of Igbo Ruler have given warning to is that governor. Yeah, I heard the caption. People know to ya to say, "Oh, we'll go with the president of Bolivia." Yeah, they made and see now no one fake. Now, one fake. Now, fake Igbo Ruler. Meanwhile, he's the somebody Mbaba Tarasia, Bidrum Lagos branch. Ya Jahaga Kea Zuruya, no Shigawa. Now, the first meeting, I want to get on my channel on 20th of the next couple of days now, 20th of March, my birthday. Igbo Ruler is a kind of birthday gift to me and Igbo. Or a birthday gift I gave to Igbo. That is why now I'm celebrating another birthday now. My birthday, I'm going to be celebrating by helping the prisoners. And we're talking about 14 names. Let me read out the name for you. And we're about 14 names of Funde, non a prison again. Let me read out the name for you. Let me read out the name for you now. Listen to me so that if you are watching, because I want people to help me. We have about 14 names. Okay, now I'm not allowed to read their names in on social media. But also for those who on bail with their bail bond are as follows. Somebody in a chidi something. 80,000 naira. I want to 30,000. And you get a fine near bail. But I got a fine of 80,000. But for more than 2 years now, this guy is still in the prison. And when you get go to somebody, 100,000 naira. How can a prison? And when Michael, somebody, 80,000 naira. Chinedu, somebody, 100,000 naira. Abum Neke. Okwaha, 70,000 naira. If I need somebody, 85,000 naira. Onyenka, 70,000. Michael Chinedu, oh, sorry, Jesus. Somebody, 80,000 naira. Those with option of fine are followed. Nde kwesịrị fine. Nde ka unda kwesịrị nda ha kwụ ụgwọ ha release nda kwanu fine ha. They will not go to jail or they will leave the jail. But how do they name within trial when option of fine? But nobody is there to help them pay the fine. Oh, for now, how we Manuel, like my person name here, Chinedu Manuel 100,000, Chinedu 500,000, Levi 420,000, oh Monna something 400,000, Ekene 400,000, Obinna 1.5 million, Okoro 300,000 naira. So Nda Agma Pocha have full because of the policy of the prison. So happy yes, my dear brother. Thank you for your suggestion. The website is already secured. The website name is secured, my dear brother. Yes, anyway, our team of Ndi Borulona has already secured the domain name. I will be working with that. So Okay, thank you. Nzegwe College watching from UK. God bless you. You are free to join the studio and tell us what you think that will be done to Igbo. Can we come on why? So, ndam oksra in full. Umunai Hana prison. Here we Igbo ruler stand for. So, more I give my personal money. I'm part of every Igbo ruler. I want the committee, I want the executive. Now approve. I come again. Our executive ma approve, I will bring it to the executive because Ego Bribu. Remember when the information when there was 17,000, 25,000, that's the little thing you had in prison. But we at those people, they kill go, then also bound they go the list was 70,000. So they gave me. Can we calculate whether at least 2 or 3, 4, 5 persons out of that place? I will make plead with my executive of Iborulo. Can I approve some money? Can we? But more personally, I know how much I've already budgeted for myself. I don't like blowing my trumpet on air because I don't have the money. People can't start disturbing me, asking for money. To avoid that, I'm only going to do OTK when I'll go to one person or 2 people. To God be the glory. I'm going to discharge them. They are fine. Can happen prison. I can make the video mgbe ha pụtara kele ndị Igbo ndị niile kwuru nyere ego unu ga-ahụ ha na this channel ebe ha ga-asụ thank you for bringing me out of prison. There will be video for that. All warranty imechi ihu ha but unu ga-anụ ha olu ha ka ha na-asụ thank you for supporting. So I will chat them privately. I will say this is my number. Okay, somebody have been waiting. Elvis, you don't have light?
Yes, I'm sorry, background of too right.
Okay, I have one of us here.
And my camera at the phone. Sorry about that.
I have one of us here live and direct on the studio already. Elvis, I don't have time because I have another meeting to catch up. What do you think that you have for Ndi Igbo? Elehi nwere Ndi Igbo. Open up immediately fast.
Okay, much usually concerning how Otundi Igbo nwere ike iji our local community, especially our traditional rulers, now produce a particular kind of cash crop. For example, 3 communities can come together, autonomous communities can come together and start producing like ginger. And I produce a plan with them making a people some for export. So those communities making them with a foreign exchange to do some community self-help. Or just one thing I want to do, that way.
Okay, thank you. We have another guest in the studio, sir. May we meet your name and where you're joining us from? I'm talking to you, sir.
Yeah, okay. My name is Ike Chukwukwama. I'm joining you. Ike Chukwukwama. I'm joining from Germany.
Okay. What do you think that can be done? Kalibo Mabuonwe. Ikechukwu, unmute yourself. Okay. Yes, over to you.
Yeah. You me to blow my mic because of the music no background no. So let me shift a little bit. Yes. Sir, hello, are you hearing me?
I can hear you, sir.
Okay. Yes. There's one thing for my own really that touched my heart that we should look into. Are you understanding me?
Yes, sir. I'm with you.
Because personally, I've been living in Europe for some couple of years, and I've really I've learned a little bit. In my travel, as travel and education and experience.
Yes, sir.
And where I live, I've studied their progress, the way the country they built, and why are they progressing. Even when there was a when there was a met meltdown in Europe, economic meltdown in Europe. Germany is too strong. When there was a COVID epidemic, Germany is too strong among all the Western nations. Why? Because of the solid organization of their system.
Mm-hmm.
When you have a working system, then everything works very easy. There's one thing. I want to be particular now. I'm not a politician, but I knew that the last election, I involved myself, even financially, for the first time, in supporting Peter Obi. Why?
Okay.
Because I took time to study and follow him, and I
Okay.
was able to see the kind of development he brought in Anambra State.
Okay.
So, uh, uh, I'm not from Anambra State, but I live very close. I'm from Imo State, and we are very close to Anambra State.
Okay.
It's very close to our place. So now, one is the road network was so awesome.
Okay.
And and let me give an example. The first time I came to Germany, my first 2 months in Germany, I was favored. I got a job, and I was going to the job, so I went late.
Make it brief, sir.
So
Direct to the
okay,
point.
yes,
Yeah. Mm.
yes. So when I was going to the job, I went late. I was late, and then something happened. My chef asked me, "Why am I late?" And I told him, I said, "It's because of the go slow." And he laughed. I thought I was in Nigeria.
Go
He
slow.
laughed. Yes. He laughed and he told me, he said, "No, it can't be possible that in every village in Germany, they have 8 access roads. Every
Mm.
village, they have 8 access. So if one way is blocked,
Another way. Another way. So
is
it go the lash as an onion
then,
Niger.
exactly. So if one way is blocked, the other day must be open, and there will be a diversion. So even if you are going to come late, it can be more than 2, 3, 5 minutes. So that is one. Access roads. So, and when you look at P2B, what he did was he created access roads, road networks, and that's how you can be able to people from lift
Okay.
people out of poverty.
Okay. So your point
Now,
is we need access road to everywhere.
tra-
To the, all the places.
transportation,
Okay. Transportation.
transportation,
Okay. You have made your
yes,
point, sir.
and
But
yes,
okay. Go ahead.
yeah, and one of the necessary uh, transportation that I believe that we should look into, because it's like time is not available, because I need to explain it better. Okay, tschüss, schönen Feierabend. Ciao. Ja, bis morgen. Yeah, sorry. So, one of the one of the means of transportation that can alleviate and help people is rail transportation.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know if I will
Okay.
be given time
But
time to
I think you are
explain what
taking.
I mean.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? You are taking it above our capacity. We are talking about how we now, what we can do. We cannot do road network to that great extent. We as individual cannot do transportation to that great extent. But there is something we can do as normal human being that have seen development outside the world. That is the area I want us to concentrate
Okay.
somehow, because the road network is
Oh,
hard to do with the government. But at least there are
yes.
something we can do. In America, we say, think of what you would do for America, not what America would do for you. What can you do for Igbo? Are you a member
Okay.
of Igbo Rolo?
Yes, I've joined the Borolo
God bless
through
you.
you.
I think you have started that it started from one plot point already. That's a very good move. So I want to plead. I really enjoyed your contribution. This one now is our duty as Iborula as a group to pressure the government. See if they can give us good road network. Thank you for because
That
of time, sir.
yeah, that
Can I have
that is
another
my
person?
point. It's not we, it's the government we need to push.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah,
Thank you.
cheers.
God bless you, sir. Okay, wonderful people. Thank you guys for being part of this program. Somebody is joining. Yeah, you are not. I don't see your video. Can you talk to me? I don't see your video. You want us to come with audio? Are you coming with audio? I think at this juncture I need to. I need to call it a day because of I don't have another engagement. I need to come back for this program. People, I can see people really are interested in this program, but unfortunately, I have another meeting. I started late already because of so many. I have some technical issues. I have to finish in my service. I had a lot of technical issues and some the other bad. So I may be suspending this program here for today, and I want to encourage everybody to please do me a favor. Share this video. We have fake Igbo in circulation. They are taking money from people. I am not responsible for that. I don't know about it. I don't know about it. I repeat, we have fake Igbo in circulation. They are going about telling people to bring money for one so-called land, about land, whatever they talk about it. We the Igbo are not part of it. We don't know about it. So if you send money to them, you are on your own. We are not part of it. We are not recognized. It's a fake Igbo registered. They are registered as a business empire. Therefore, make sure you are very careful not to fall a victim of that particular scam group. They call it Igbo with a registered Nigeria Limited. We are not public. We are a non-profit making organization. Let me show you our motto once again. Look at our motto. Let me upload that motto. I don't have time to show. Let me show you our motto. Igbo is uniting the Igbo's development, and he said we are non-profit organization. We are a pressure group to society in Igbo to remember their homeland. We are not an agitating group or political group or religious group. We are not. But this one now, this fake Igbo remember this fake Igbo is a group that is said they are a state. Look at their name, Corporate Affairs Commission and Igbo Development Estate and Property Limited. They are limited liability company. Look at what they have. They are putting account number, telling people to pay money into this account, 5,000 naira. About 60-something people have paid already. Those people, ego galala. Something a limited, and you still went ahead and paid money. Estate limited, Igbo Property and Estate Limited. Now you sabi, we are not part of it. So be careful. Let me end the broadcast for today because of time. So based on this, if you don't get information, you're already deformed. Please make
if you no get information, you are already deformed. Why not go to your YouTube? Jovika TV. You want come for Facebook? Jovika TV. Instagram and Twitter. Jovika TV. Abi you want them for TikTok? Jovika TV. Abi na WhatsApp you want them? Jovika TV. Jovika TV, poised to reach you with the truth.